the fruits.
Yeah.
What is this?
Banana.
And what color is that? What color is this?
Yellow.
Okay. Wow, Arjun like it. What is this?
Watermelon. Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it. Half.
Cut it.
Yes. And what color is this?
Watermelon.
Color. What color is this, Arjun?
Green.
What color is this, Maya?
Green.
And this side, what color is this?
Yellow.
Red.
Red.
Maya is
Remove.
naughty.
Inside the seed, what color is that?
Oh, this one she's telling yellow. And what fruit is this? What fruit? Tell Arjun.
I know. This is red.
No color, not color. Fruit.
Oh, the strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Cut it.
Mama, cut it.
Strawberry is in red color.
Yes, that's correct.
And we'll eat now apple.
Yes.
Cut apple. Yes.
Yes.
What color is this? What color is red?
I cut.
Up.
Put it up.
In the
Cut
cutting
it,
plate.
cut.
Cutting plate. You use cutting plate.
Oh.
Okay. It's very hard.
Yeah.
Maya?
Yes.
Very hard.
Yes. It's very hard.
Cut it nicely.
Cut it like this, like this.
Apple.
What good cooking?
Cut it. Yes.
Yeah.
Color is?
Color is.
What color is this, Arjun?
This is red.
아순다국 사니까 너무 떠오르죠. 쉽게 되죠. 다른 타오야다. 아니죠.
What color is this? Yellow.
Yellow.
And what is this? Pineapple.
Pineapple. I cut.
Maya will cut.
Yeah.
Maya will make it in 2 pieces.
Yes.
And Mama likes it very much. Grapes. What color is this?
Blue.
Not blue. Purple.
Yes. And the leaf color is green.
Maya is going to make it 2 pieces. Everything 2 pieces. And cone.
Yes.
This is very healthy and tasty too.
Yes, very handy. I love it.
Wow.
Wow.
Yellow
Yellow.
and orange.
Wow.
Make it half.
Make it up. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah. We are going to eat it.
Okay.
Next is lemon.
Lemon.
Wow.
Pumpkin.
Just cut pieces. Don't cut your hand
Be careful.
with this knife.
We'll eat now banana.
Banana is not chopped yet.
And Mama will have grapes.
I want to have
Strawberry. You have apple.
Yeah.
Yummy.
I love orange. I love pumpkin.
This is pineapple. Mama will have pineapple. Yum. Again, we'll join it. Huh?
Yes, let's join it.
Mau. Pineapple. We'll join it. Pineapple.
Yeah, that's correct.
Arjun will keep.
Yes.
They will keep. And
Yeah.
corn.
Yes, corn.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, my favorite.
Pumpkin.
Orange. Learn all of
Orange. Half orange. Done.
Wow. That's very nice.
Strawberries.
Strawberry. That's nice.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Wow.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Banana.
Banana.
Banana is very good.
Yeah, it's very healthy.
Mm.
And what is this?
Lemon.
Yes.
I'll ask one by one, okay?
Yes.
What is this?
Apple.
What is this?
Watermelon. Yes.
What is this?